Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable countertop dishwashers, the NOVETE and the Countertop. Both of these compact dishwashers are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments and RVs. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and help you determine which one might be the best choice for your kitchen. The NOVETE portable countertop dishwasher offers a clear capacity of 4 full-place settings, making it suitable for small households. In contrast, the Countertop model does not specify its capacity, but claims to accommodate dishes up to 12 inches at an angle. This difference could be crucial for users with varying dish sizes. Both dishwashers come equipped with 5 washing programs, but they differ in their specific offerings. The NOVETE features a dedicated baby care program, ideal for cleaning baby items, while the Countertop includes an ECO mode for energy-efficient washing. This variety allows users to choose based on their specific needs. When it comes to drying features, the NOVETE offers a unique 72-hour ventilation option, ensuring that your dishes remain fresh and odor-free. On the other hand, the Countertop provides a quicker 60-minute air dry function. Depending on your priorities, either option could be beneficial. In conclusion, both the NOVETE and Countertop portable countertop dishwashers offer excellent features for small living spaces. The NOVETE stands out with its clear capacity and baby care program, while the Countertop provides flexibility in wash programs. Consider your specific needs when making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.